Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sahibzadi Mahin Khan, founder, president, and patron-in-chief for Women Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Korangi, Karachi. And I got this state life insurance when I was quite young and in college. Ending my college. And of course, every young woman has different dreams. I also had one, going on a world trip once I get this insurance, or go around shopping, enjoy my life. But of course, when it matured later after 20 years or so, it had different plans. I think God has different plans. And then that was the time when I needed this. This was an important turning point of my life where this insurance helped me to make certain decisions. It gave me financial security. And this is not only about money. This is about your freedom, your confidence, which this gave me to have important decisions of my life. So it helped me to make a new chapter of my life with confidence. Thank you, State Life, for giving me that confidence and protection, not only to me, but women of Pakistan. Thank you.